Okay, so moving on to the canopy now. This canopy has operational latches, so that required putting in access holes for fat fingers like mine. So I could have got some commercial ones. I think top model CZ have commercial windows at quarter scale, but I got impatient and I thought, what the hell, I'll just make my own. So when I got a K7 kit sent out from Europe, the canopy didn't fare so well. It got crushed in transit, so I kept it. As you can see, it's covered in dust, but I kept it, and the canopy has become donor for any bits and pieces that I needed for these. So these windows will be fixed. They're just taped in place at the moment, so I can get the sizing right for my fat finger to get in there and unlatch it. Oops, unlatch it and latch it up. And pretty happy. It's all worked out so far. I won't say it was easy. I probably made about 10 of these, 8 to 10 of these windows before I got some that I was happy with, because getting those handles on there, the little grab handles, was tricky. So what I used to apply the plastic is acetone in a needle applicator, but even then, the application has to be very careful, because you can flood the area and then it's mess. So I'll try and get this right. No, it's not going to happen for me. Come on. I must be getting that low. There we go. So what you don't want is a big ball on the end of it, and just some careful application, and you end up with a good result after some practice. So pretty happy with that. I just onto the next task, and there are plenty of them.